That annoying clicking sound coming from your Chevy Impala dashboard is caused by a stripped gear inside the blend door actuator, and the only permanent fix is replacing the faulty unit. This small plastic motor controls the airflow temperature, and when the internal gears break, it endlessly skips and clicks when you turn on the AC or heater. Accessing this actuator is straightforward and does not require removing the entire dashboard. You will find the main clicking culprit located behind the glove box on the passenger side. Empty the glove box, squeeze the sides inward, and let it swing all the way down to reveal the actuator mounted on the HVAC box. Disconnect the electrical wiring harness by pressing the release tab and pulling it straight out. The actuator is held in place by two small bolts, usually requiring a 5.5 millimeter or 7 millimeter socket. Use a 1/4-inch drive ratchet with a short extension to carefully back those bolts out without dropping them behind the carpet. Pull the old actuator straight off the blend door shaft. Before installing the new unit, make sure the D-shaped slot aligns exactly with the shaft on the climate control box. Do not force it or manually twist the new actuator arm, as this can easily strip the brand new gears inside before you even turn the key. Seat the new actuator firmly against the housing and hand-thread the two bolts to prevent cross-threading the plastic. Tighten them down snugly, plug the electrical connector back in, and swing your glove box back into place. Start the engine and test your climate controls to confirm the clicking is gone and the air temperature changes smoothly.